In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective way to shop smarter on Shein. Whether you're a first-time user or someone who's already familiar with the vast selection this platform offers, you'll find these tips useful to enhance your shopping experience and help you make the most out of every visit. Let's kick things off by heading over to Shein. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and type in the website's URL, shein.com. Once the page has loaded, you'll be greeted with an impressive range of fashionable items, anything from trendy apparel to chic accessories. Take your time to explore. After all, part of the fun is discovering pieces that catch your eye. As you browse through Shein's extensive catalog, keep in mind that narrowing down your options can save you time and allow you to focus on what you truly want. You might want to utilize the search bar or explore categories based on your preferences. As you select products that appeal to you, add them to your cart by clicking the Add to Bag button. This will not only keep your picks organized, but will also make it easier to review your selections before proceeding to checkout. Now that you've gathered some exciting items in your cart, it's time to move on to the checkout process. Navigate over to your cart icon, usually found at the top right of the page. Here you'll see a summary of the items you intend to purchase. It's a good idea to do a quick review to ensure you have the correct sizes, quantities, and colors before you proceed further. Here's where you can make your shopping spree a little sweeter. On the checkout page, you'll notice an input field labeled Coupon Code. If you have a coupon code, enter it here. Applying a coupon code can give you significant discounts on your purchase, allowing you to save money or possibly buy additional items for the same amount. It's always worthwhile to check if there are ongoing promotions or coupons available before concluding your checkout, perhaps by subscribing to Shein's newsletter or checking reputable coupon websites. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections and any discounts have been applied, it's time to complete your purchase. Follow the prompts to enter your shipping and payment information. Double-check to ensure your details are correct before confirming the transaction to avoid any hiccups in receiving your package. And there you have it. You've mastered a straightforward way to shop on Shein, maximizing discounts and making the most out of your online shopping experience. Enjoy your purchases and happy shopping.